So where you dey work today? No holiday?
No man, Monday was holiday.
Today what? Tuesday?
Today is Tuesday.
So are late people come in late?
Huh?
Are late people come in late?
Yeah, some, not all. Some people.
Let me say.
So what you do?
So your friend? Yes, King. I'm Ryan. It's a good man that you know. That man don't thief. That man they not thief. This man is a man of God. You can't see it, you know. A good people there around, you know.
And then long ears.
Because if he was a thief, I would pick it up immediately. But I am a thief.
No, you're not.
1 pepper, 2 pepper, 3 pepper, 4 pepper. Me have 4 pepper. Come here, my chicken bag. Let me tell you something. My brother, how you doing? You alright? I love what you say. You know, so I walk now. I walk, you know. I go to seaside. I'm gonna meet my people, man, you know. Greet them, and just feel good.
No say nothing, man. Do what you have to do. But nobody couldn't be you more than you. Nobody couldn't be me more than me. Don't it? So what you do, cook?
I have some chicken back. I have 2 pounds of flour,
Oh, you know?
4 pounds of chicken back.
Oh, you not cook that one time.
No, just because,
By carrying.
yeah. What I go do now, I go curry some I go cook with soup.
Hey, guess what? We have rice and peas at my house. And I didn't eat any rice and peas Sunday when everybody craving for rice and peas on Sunday. You know what I eat?
What?
Curry chicken and roast breadfruit.
Wow.
That's what I eat. And my belly full. I saw my Mickey yesterday morning can come.
Alright, now let me ask you, the banana have a sitting in the middle, the trunk, the white thing. You know so you can't eat that? Yeah. When you cut the banana tree, you split the trunk and take out the white middle. You can blend it with milk and cook it with your rice too. You can steam it too. A food. And you can soak in the water and drink it.
Never know.
So now when you dig, you cut off the banana halfway, you dig a hole in the banana tree, then you put some,
I didn't know.
you put some sugar in it. In the morning, it's full of water. You drink the water there.
What?
That the water there, filter.
Okay.
So you see banana tree, you not treat it right.
Yeah.
You see me, you not treat it right. So you must say you can learn to, you know.
Then of course, that's what you come. Look here. You're never too old to learn. And you're never too young to teach it.
So Randy, I walk around and I walk more time, you know, because I lose
It's good for you, man.
the movement.
That's all right. Listen up.
You know, I never know someone that say you.
Why?
Cause
I
when
live in that hopes to see you.
I look out a front, I not see nobody. I say maybe it's holiday again.
That's Monday gone.
So I want to celebrate it. What did
not
you
yesterday, Monday.
What did you do to celebrate the holiday?
I stay at home.
Now relax.
No, Monday gone wasn't holiday. Saturday.
Yeah.
The week before Monday was holiday. And Saturday was holiday. I didn't come out either. I stay at home. Relax. Everybody. Because I'm home every day working. You have to have some time for yourself.
So you rest up.
I just go inside. My daughter look about something before she Adventist, she go to church. I leave me at home and she look about the breakfast and leave it on the stove.
So what beads you have to give me? What beads you have to give me? Cause you see that bead the way you have. What bead you have in there so forgive me? Me grew up now. Me and your son, me a big man. You give me food, but me need a bead. So when you go home and consider it.
No, I don't need that to go home to consider. I am standing right here. So, but I'm going to
You have to give me this strength. Me and you not sit down here and talk, you know. You know what I say, Father?
Yeah.
She can't let me out in the world, so I have to try to hurt, so. You know, have to protect me. Is me I try to hurt, you know, through dangerous places.
Yeah. No, me no want none. Me no want any.
So you're going home to consider?
No, I'm working and considering.
Okay.
Bless up. Hey, you know what say? Yesterday morning.
So what is your story? Or you stay alive? What is it you do every day to stay alive? What is your motive?
Yesterday morning.
Trying to do everything which is right.
What is your favorite Bible verse? Don't tell me Psalms 21, call I got to. What you say now?
God so loved the world that he gave his
Only
only begotten.
begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. He come into the world, not to condemn to the world, but through him the world might be saved.
Hey Marcia, how much for the cold stove thing there? You see that like a cold stove thing there? That like a cold stove thing there, how much they cost? So you know you can get one cheap for me.
No, for me want one for myself.
Tell me I go buy one for you then. You see what I say?
Yeah, for me one mushroom.
Me go and buy one for you. Yeah. And me can go around and go tea for you.
No, you're not in that category. You're not in that category.
So,
I don't know if man sell at the hardware.
Sometimes they're more dearer than the hardware than what you...
Sometimes, yeah.
I mean, no, so they're expensive around here, so too.
Then you not can go on. Nobody not stop you. What up? Yeah. I'm coming home to stay. Hey, hey. What's the time you go outside? Because I'm too long back every one day.
The market people must sing some Kenny Rogers.
Two pound of pumpkin pass and cook and miss.
Lady, can I get a mango, please?
Let me just buy it.
I was gonna give you a diamond ring.
A what?
A diamond ring.
Ring blind,
Ring blinder. It's a married woman.
Eh? Yeah, you listen to like body and you don't pay your money.
And you know the brand when you know...
She not give you back your money.
No, man.
I never done was far too long.
No, one. Let's go one. Yeah, two. One.
So a chicken season them this? What is?
No, man. Busy.
Busy.
To make tea.
Okay, make you strong. You know, so me get some pear from Manchester. Me did I come right in front of your store and sell my pear them.
And from them big and nice, people will buy them. You don't need that.
Next time me get some pear right just some there.
Anything. Your share is not mine and my share is not yours.
You know, my grandmother used to go to the market. And that's why I love markets, so, you know. You know my blood. It's so nice to be here. Not just to be here in a bar. Give me your first name. Irvin. Elvin.
You're grudging me? You're grudging me? Okay.
So people respect people things when them put them on their cart, then let people things alone.
Oh my father.
No, not tell you my name, not my God.
No, I didn't say God, I said, oh my father.
You're good?
Yeah, you're looking great.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Put on some weight,
That's
bud.
what I noticed.
Everybody.
We have life.
Exactly.
Yes, so what I can do for you today.
I'm gonna wait until rain starts, so we're just waiting and going to do something. So when we reach, we'll come back, we'll wait.
Okay, glad to see you, honey.
Yes.
So you have kids.
Yes.
What you teach them to make them grow up good?
The best things in life which are equal in the size of God and God.
Mm-hmm.
They grew up with amongst their grandparents
Yeah.
and they go to school and then go to church and then come and man again to church and
And take it slow and easy.
yeah. Don't come with nobody for what they have.
Mm-hmm. So let's get back to my beads. You're pondering? Me must.
No, I have to sit. I have to sit and sit.
I must be patient.
Yeah, that's right. I have to sit. I have to concentrate on what to make a living first. No man, you tell me baby, I have that in mind.
Okay. So people.
What you gonna jump at this year?
Mm-hmm. We're gonna come Jamaica. This is the place, Marcia. It's 21. Yeah. Straight from the airport. Rasta Marcia, come to the market there. Let them take you to the market and see her. A pure love and energy. People, we want some walk, you know. Look how much hog food. You said, hey, you said they have food?
No, I keep them for my own pig.
You want pig?
Yeah.
We want to get a pig, cause.
Pack them in a bucket and bring them over to the pig.
Wow.
No baby.
Alright, me and you going to make a deal. This is a deal show. You see that little stove that I want to put in my backpack, put it on the beach side. You know, the rim with the coal. Me not buy it from nobody else when the money come,
Yes.
but you.
Okay baby.
How much is it?
4,500.
Alright, me here say 2,000. Me talk to you later. Hey, people, I'm a people them. Jamaica Good Life. It's not a good life. Hot feet, yeah, see there. In the morning. No, take a taxi is like $100 for $1 US for come down here. So if you live in Mobay, you take a taxi in the morning and you just come at the seaside. So basically, you say you can save a lot of money in Jamaica by literally taking the taxi. As a matter of fact, Jamaica is not too expensive when you do it the right way. So basically, me know what I go do. I go get me Dutch pot. And you know, so I have a battery charger too. And I go sit down right here, so put on my hat and set up a fire and just fry my fish right here, so I get some firewood and sit down right here, so and fry some fish. I go have the breadfruit. I'll fry some breadfruit and eat some fish. I'm going to start bring me little Dutch pot, you know. Because I'm a little Dutchy. I bring me little Dutchy as well. Some firewood and bring me little rim and just sit down and if me have my charger thing, I just, yeah. Just light a firewood as well. You see me? The stone them nice too. But this is going to be my new home. On the stone them, you know? Right at the seaside. Just full of vibe, you know? $1 for come here. $1 for go home. Not a $2 for the day. You pay $1,000 a pound for the fish. You take your knife and you fish him out, and then you take your Dutch pot and you set up a stone and you roast him and you fry him up and you eat your fish. You see? So I just need some wood for just deal with the fish and look on the view and get a little sponge and sit down and just hold a meditation and drink some rum and some so my yard, yeah? You have crabs, you have birds in my yard, you have my stove yourself, and you have nobody not disturb you because your yard this, and you have the fresh water and the man them out. So sooner or later when you get a boat license, I'm gone out. You see me? I'm gone out. You see it? Gone out. Yeah, man. Gone out. Yeah, so remember Jamaica health box. That's when I get in the health from. See the people. This is the life. You see in the morning you just come and get some water. That's why I love Mobay, you know. It took me $2 to come here so I can go back home. Eh? Can go walk, we can walk and reach the city. We can walk and go Pier 1 and go order a wicked lobster meal. You see this your life, yeah? This your life, yeah? So you can budget the thing. $2 from the house. Taxi drive nice and everything, and you reach out to the pier and then you buy your fish. You can buy the fish from the man them. They must sell them for 1,200 them, so they must sell them for about me. I go over there and me I go buy it for 1,000 a pound. If crude oil had come in, we buy it from crude oil. You see me? Normally them, so them not coming yet from the sea by the time yet. But at the best place in Jamaica, you see, can you get the fish fresh? You see me? So now Jamaica Good Life people, we need to get a boat. So then we can just float around here, so. You know, we need a little blow up. Yeah, we need to get me little, you know, we need, because we done with land, you know. After a while, you can't depend on land too long with people. You're done with land. You see me? People and confusion. That's why you have to now take to the sea. For peace and tranquility. You have to take to the sea. And then you take to the sea. And then now you just live your life in a peace and tranquility. So more, I have to get a little canoe. So I can learn how to see how the sea nice. Hey, more I don't know if I come to Jamaica, you know. Remember say I can't stay at my house, you know. So I don't be no mouse and no crab house. Larry, come stay at Mobay. Certain people may trust to stay at my place. So I can't stay at the house and ding ding ding. You see? But $2 come down here and I relax. And then now you spend $40 a night a day or not a spot. So in Mobay there's so many options. Best food, Pier 1. And pork pit and everywhere. And but the people that make it look like say things bad. You walk up a little bit, you get an ATM at the Scotia there, so you don't have to go to the big bank with the big line there. So right now the car not there up and running yet because we have to go set him up on transmission. So we're gonna be up and running soon, but I'm not the big driving round. All I meant now are the boat for me want to go in. You see me? A boat me want to go in. I go learn how to row and build up some muscles. And that I want to do. A boat time now, so I go get my boat license. I want to get me. And them things I want to deal with now in my life. When you start get older now, you want to separate yourself from people and be one with the sea. You see, at times. See the man out there say row? Row, fisherman row. Them have them gas and them go out. Yes. Yes, people, this is it. This is the good life. You know, see no shot of fire, right? You see no shot of fire? You see any shots firing? You see no people around nobody? You see people live? Eh? You know, see the crab them. Alright, just so I go cook food and thing right there before we spot this. Kevin, Mobay no say nothing. You know? Every day in our life we must live it to the fullest. And it don't cost much. You pay $80 a night. And then you pay $2 for come down here. And you just sit down on the rock, bring a little sponge for your chair. And you just lie down on the rock and nobody you. Nobody in the house who just selling a product. You see, and anytime you want you go chuck off in the water. I might as well look about more and try just so. See if I never look about me, I'll go back and look about here now. Now once I get my boat license, I left for now, you know. Make me go get my boat license. I left for now. Yes. Them say share, like and subscribe. Just the good life. We just are living now. We're not on the YouTube. We just are living life and humble yourself. Lose the weight and I bring health to people. Huh? So I'm coming out in the morning. See water and relax. Yeah. Yes man. And saving the money. Make sure the fisherman doesn't get it. Alright, so we spend the day here, so I could just keep the phone running and make way go buy the fish now. You see, we'll go deal with it. This is a story of a brother, a fisherman. And we interviewed him and he was on the show. Yeah. And your sister abroad, she saw you on the video. Did she talk to you for a while?
Not a while, More than 10 years, I don't see her, you know. She grew up for, you know.
So because Jamaica Good Life film me, brother, you get your sister back in your life?
Yeah, man, he said me and him do a chat about something. You know, so last week she fly out back.
So she give you a strength?
Yeah, he give me a strength.
So, so you, is it my works make you feel so good?
Yeah.
The works of the Almighty I work with me. Eh?
Yeah.
Look how your life changed. What would you teach you when we come down? What would we teach you?
Change your balance.
Okay, my brother. You can proclaim it, say working. So, the man is just disciple of the truth to rascal. When before we come, the man never have certain love in our life. And when you use change and balance. In our yourself when we leave, and you meds it within yourself, did a tree start growing at you, brother?
Yeah.
The you come out, right? You never know the you until you knew what?
You know.
Change
And balance.
So now, and this one I'm gonna put on my pipe on them and galvanize this for the universe and all I know. Me tell them say, if you get a man that cannot read and you can teach him the truth.
I right way.
And the man could not read, so him couldn't read of other scriptures. So how am I gonna get the word? So when I came, I wanted to give this man 2 words. Because the man that can't read doesn't necessarily must not hear my word. So me have to condense all of the word into 2 words for the man that can't read, for understand the word. Because the word is your Lord and Savior. So when Randy come, and as a minister of change and balance, and you couldn't read, I may give you 2 words of the Almighty. They can't tell you nothing. I'm not saying I have to read nothing from them. You have the truth. I want your sister come to you. Sister, show your love. You're deep. You're far. Because all you needed was 2 words. All the wickedness when you come out. Because you see the thing with change and balance, brother. You see every second where you even think, you have to change how you think to balance. So when you used to think evil, you say, no. It's just how it works in your mind. Tell me how it works in your mind. People like you may come from. Talk to
You know, say work better and good and understand, but here, you have to just take things out and take time to understand yourself and do your thing. Yeah.
Like a clock.
Like a clock.
Yeah, when we did come in, brother, did, even though they look calm, you have a devious, them time there, but they sense the energy, you know. You remember? But now your energy different, like Crude Oil and Mark get married, you find your sister. It's a Jamaica Good Life, brother. When we pass through, we say if the Almighty is in us, we must express it in a good way. Yeah. And if me pass through with good energy, and me can do something virtually for change and balance your life, I don't see why the people that can say, you know, so Randy is a kind of youth where I try bring up on a plane. Them no want to recognize me or jealousy. But more, the disciples of change and balance is saying, when Randy passed through and in T3, and then me couldn't read no long scripture, enough of them can't read. Mr. Faster in a man devil cannot read. But when me able to teach them 2 words.
Yeah. 2 no more, 2 you talk, man, I lie.
And you like a fairy warrior maroon being, they can't get to you. Because he's a man of nature. So how you read them book and understand them language?
No.
So what we did have to do for even free the indigenous one like you is to teach you 2 words. We govern them whole world. You see me? Because we never feed. So the only trees me know, so me know a man like you, we can't read. Most of my friends and my friends, them we can't read. So me go through Jamaica, can't read. So then when them I read and I read the word, me say, but oh, the Almighty, I go give me the word if me can't read.
True.
So the youth them with the destruction we are going right now, them can't.
Most time and them they can't read. I just certain things make you see them up there with you. Because here, there's a man now you find yourself and make some money in a maintain. Who may start what you start, your virgin is good and the next time you are no good. Yeah, because here You either make more money and him nothing now go and fame and show you making more money. Then I go and link him up and show him thing. You don't go and keep it to yourself. And them the thing they always cause war and them thing they kind of say yo you make more money and you not spend no money down your side. We and him a virgin and them thing. All them thing they lead up to whole heap of destruction and war.
You I'm going to introduce you to a universal youth. See me in boat named Wizard. And you know when you come Montego Bay, come check the Wizard boat. You don't have to get on the boat license. Now the man named Wizard, if you look for him good, he's a ancient lizard. No.
The boat by the beach theater. Have that then in the
Wizard?
Yeah.
Alright, no. When you look like where you look, and the boat named Wizard, tell me the backstory. My brother, when you grew up, I mean, you look different like your people, ancient. What your family say about your father and mother?
Yeah. Father, mother. I'm sick and dead, years you sick and dead. Years, whole heap of years. And I know more than 10 years she's sick and dead.
So when you living on the mountains or the rivers?
The mountain and the rivers. River coast.
So you're the wizard. Brother, so all your life you spend in nature. You're not really mixing at school. Tell me about that.
Yeah, that is true. I'm not too mixing at school. I just nature and them things. Social study and certain things. Well, I take in certain things and study.
So life now, has life been kind to you or life been...
Life good man, nice and everything.
And you say you meet your sister again. So now you have a boat.
Yeah. That's something for myself.
So your sister first name?
Shana.
So big up to Shana. Alright people, so now look here. See the wizard having boat. So tell me about, come talk to me about the boat, brother. So what are some of the things you need for your boat like?
You know, say, alright, the thing you might want, touch up, paint up, look a bit more inside.
Some paint. Give them your number, wizard, and just watch what I say to them, you know. Say to the world, wizard, if you do the right thing, things will happen, but if you do the wrong thing, things will happen. Yeah. Give them your number.
You know, sir, I have the number.
No worry. So when them come on Mobay, see the wizard there, all the big man them, the youth need some what? Paint for the boat. So before Jamaica Good Life, you didn't have this boat?
No.
After Jamaica Good Life, what happened? Your sister link you and she give you strength.
Yeah,
10 years you haven't heard from her.
yeah.
So you owe me some fish then? You're going to live up to that. So the people are going to see you say you ran, give thanks.
Yeah.
We're going to say, this is the wizard. This is crude oil. The big man, me always say when you forward, come to the youth them that is moving forward and support them. That's what my program do. I try to tell people when them forward, help the youths that's moving Jamaica forward. That's what I say. So from the Jamaica Good Life farmers, this is Wizard, the Jamaica Good Life fishermen. You see? And because of our program, look there. Righteousness. Big up your sister. So your dream. People, I tell you, you never know. So we are past you, you know. Wizard never know. Yo, we love the boat, man. It's the people. This is another what social media can do. His sister help him with it. You look like you're a big Superman fisher. Yeah. Alright, my brother. You sure say true you tell? Alright. So wait. People, this is how Jamaica Good Life do it. Remember when you pick me after you buy a chicken back? When you go on the almond tree, go look for your almond. Mama send you to a shop. If you go buy a chicken back. the almond them right underneath the tree. You remember when we were there at Scottsdale and St. Mary and Portland? So, I'm telling the people, when they don't have any chicken back, whoa, one just dropped. Look on the big almond tree, man. Jamaica, look on that. Abundance of life and nutrients. Right there we don't know. No talk about Jamaica Good Life. So today we buy 4 pounds of chicken back. We squeeze the $1,000 till it cry. And $180 a pound for chicken back. So me get some onion. Me get some scallion sometime from Mars, yeah. I was gonna buy fish. So I get some onion. Jamaica is so amazing that even if you walk on roadside and the ackee open, you have food. You can't do that afari. So, me squeeze the $1,000. I'm gonna buy 2 pounds of flour. I have some cornmeal. We're gonna make some dumplings. I'm going to tell him. I say I'm going to make some dumplings. I'm going to season the chicken back and brown it. Or how you brown it? You had the browning first. I'm going to call one of my friends. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at this country. Look at that. Eh? So now, $200 for a taxi back home. And no, $150. So it's like near $1 to go out to the ocean. And this is our journey this morning. So you spend $1,000, get your chicken back. We can make soup, curry chicken back. We have the brown pepper. You know the brown pepper? No. Brown pepper, scallion, thyme, onion, and some seasoning. I'm going to tell you. So no more on the cold stove them. I'm going to tell you. Oi! I never buy no big breadfruit, but next time. So we have some almond we pick up on the ground. Wash them there. Look at Jamaica. This is your Jamaica. This is Montego Bay. Look at it. That's how it stays. Eh? Jamaica all night, all day. Walking at the city ocean there. Walking at the sunshine, so you can't lose the weight and tighten up myself and increase my health. I like to walk now. More time I walk and then I take the taxi. Since my mission down here is to get in shape. I don't know soon see the before and after. Jamaica Health Blocks have come. Watercress tincture. We don't see how Randy gets in shape. We don't become believers. We're just in training right now. So we now rush the car because we get the car. I'm on a superstar, and then I have a friend named Pretty Lee. Next time we buy some chicken back and go Pretty Lee out cooking. But and every Jamaican eat chicken back. And when we come, we love it. Yeah, so me sooner or later. Go on people, Jamaica Good Life. All I really want now is a good wife. Cause you hear me I say, sometimes I sit down on the ackee tree and no ackee no bear. None. You see me? And no chicken back now to the road, you see me? Chicken back expensive, so what me have to do? I'm a foot all now, no lotion more time. But you see, the Almighty is good. So right now is dumpling and butter and pear, you see? In Jamaica, we not really, once we have butter, you know, And once we have see banana there, we cut off the banana tree. You see, once we have butter and dumpling and pear, everything is good. You saw me, I say, I don't have to worry about. You know me, I say, I just so we live life in the good life. You know me, I say. And sometimes when I no fork, we have to use a spoon. I say, you know, long, but we never did have no gas, so the dumpling kind of cold. A good life, we say, no. Once man have butter, man have life. You know me, I say. Yeah, man, the caramel dumpling, you know me, I say, some flour. And you know, say, hey, big up to Jason. Them pear come from, I don't know if I buy them. But I give thanks, you know. I want dumpling what I have to shape the butter with my picking. Mr. Faster, you're workless. You're not even bring me a pear. If it's this season in Jamaica, we mill around people, I can just bring my butter with me everywhere I go. I go market, go sell pear. Yo, Jason, send up some pear for me, because I have to go market. Set up some pepper to come, I go market, go sell my pepper and my pear. Send me one pear and one pepper, I go sell it. $1,000 for the pepper. Yeah, man, life rough right now in Jamaica for the foreigner. So we have to do it now. This is a season here. I go starve. So I practice. Food short. Yes, man. Food I go short in the world. So I practice how to survive. One time, I walk 3 miles. Save $200. Go to the market and thief 2 pepper. You know what I'm saying? A good thing we have good friends, you know. Better than pocket money. Like New Year life, you're not go funny. 2 pounds of flour and buy 2 pounds of flour. I get $1,000 a day, 4 pounds out. I took them up my buy now. Yeah, man. I'm tell us that. Banana get chopped. You see, get some butter, you know, but the butter run out, so. I'm taking my butter, so lotion my foot. Because when I have no Vaseline now, when I have no. Seriously, guys, be careful that. When I have no Vaseline now, when I have no lotion, them things are too expensive. Sunday, girl, them candy. Big up to Randy. Actually, them a style me right now. Actually, them like they don't want to open up, you know. We need for pressure open up them. Actually, we need for. Brian, what do you say, people? See you later. Is the life good still, no? Alright, here what? We just stay hungry till the academy open up. I'm gonna put on some more tray. But on a serious note, give thanks to the Almighty. Some guava be over there, so we know so we have dinner soon. Straight dumpling and butter, man. Straight. Back in the days in Linstead. On Clarendon, Buff Bay, Maypen, Clarendon, Buff Bay, Portland. Them place that I grew up, you know. Kildare, Portland. Big up to Everton, rest in joy. Big up to Mackerel, Scottsdale, Saviour, Hot Feet, yeah. Keno, one team, Dream Team, one team. No, I'm retire now, you know, people. So this YouTube thing was a really take a really right now I take a hard life easy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. That's how we do it. But The dumpling and banana and butter. Sweet. Pauline. And so nothing. We said Jamaica Good Life. It's not a good life. Hot feet, savior. Big up to my brother, mother, everybody. See the clouds nice and beautiful. Life is what you make it. Take care of yourself. People, see there? Around the chicken back, you know, the curry brown chicken back. I mean, I'm looking thing, you know. People, I just stop it. And then if you put your hand together and clap it. When we see the dumpling with the curry chicken, we snap it. Look there, son. Around there, going, son. Jamaica Good Life. Jamaica Good Life, yeah. Boy.